Wow, this one is the first time we come here from the another city. So we make drive way to exit the Baghdad. Okay, ayan. Parents observe. This one is the another city. We exit in the Baghdad. Okay. There is another beautiful entrance there, but I forgot to on the video, so that's why. I say bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Thanks again. Sayang yung place, yung entrance we go there to enter in these cities, because first we make the checkpoint and then there is entrance, very nice entrance time. Okay. Bye bye.